Alright. I'm waking up. I'm waking up. The ashes. Alright. Alright. 0.29? Ooh, there's another guy. Alright, I see some more guys over here. Oh gosh. Oh goodness me. Oh gosh. Oh. Oh. Am I supposed to help them? Oh my. Oh my. Oh.
Oh, yo, you hear me?
Hello?
Yo, do you hear me?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah, come with me. We have to find
No,
a good place
no,
to,
I don't know what these controls are, so I'm new at this game. Calm down.
Wait, I don't know the controls either. Just follow me. We have to find somewhere to build a house. Get in, my friend. Look what I found.
What? We're living good.
You in?
Nope, I'm in. Let's go. Let's ride this puppy. Yo, change the music.
Hold on, I can't, bro. I'm trying not to run.
Oh, oh, yeah. All right, this is the kind of music. Oh,
Another golf cart.
is this safe, dude? Nope, man, he's dead.
Oh, there's a turtle there.
How do you get out? Oh, G.
We don't. Hold on, I gotta look at.
Oh, oh,
Where's
shoot.
Kevin, dude?
Oh
Calm
my.
down.
Oh.
Alright, hold on, let me leave real quick and see if I can look at the map. Hold on. Okay, there's a big lake. His name is Kelvin.
Kelvin.
Are you
Yeah.
on?
No one uses you. Yeah, I'm on. Alright, now if we're doing chase by he's still Kelvin. I can see. In B first eats. Oh.
I said, oh shoot. We gotta get out and fix the thing. I said, oh shoot.
Oh, how'd we get in this position?
We have to fix it.
Where'd Kelvin go?
Oh no, help me push it, help me push it.
Okay. Oh, there we go.
Oh shoot. I'm the fucking Hulk. Okay. Are you in?
Yeah, wait. We have to wait for Kelvin. Or what is he doing?
Oh shoot. I think he threw the car. I think Calvin threw the car, bro. He got so mad he just threw the car. Alright, this should be the lake that we're looking for.
Holy cow.
Evan, you like it?
I wish I could look. But I'm in the back seat.
Do you remember this lake? I think
Okay,
okay, this is definitely not where I built my base, but I do remember this lake and I do have a perfect I just ran over someone. Was that you?
Oh! Go! Dude! Go! No! Yes!
I thought I ran over you.
Bro, there's like 4 of them. They were planning to jump us. Or jump me specifically.
Oh, yeah. Alright, you're good to get out.
Alright. What's this? Where's the deer?
Got some animal hide.
Ew. I'm taking the head.
Okay. It's gonna take a little while, but we have to build all of this, and then everything we have is gonna be inside of this place, okay?
Okay.
It looks sweet.
Build fire. Can you do that? Yeah.
Yeah, we gotta place a, give me a second. I'm gonna build us a...
Calvin's gonna go do it for us. Gather logs, 180. Oh, Lord.
Not that many, bro. you got the fire for us, I think.
Oh, yeah, good job, man. Thank you.
Alright, I'm gonna put some... I put some meat on. I put 2 pieces of meat. We can each have one, okay?
Alright, yeah.
When they cook. Wait for them to cook. Don't even burn. Alright, we gotta start... Alright. It's okay if they burn? Come on, let's get some wood.
Alright. Well, can I place my meat on it?
Oh, we have 2, bro.
Look me in my hunter eyes. Yeah, dude, that's a great shelter. I love it. Alright, you get some twigs. I'll go searching for food. Okay.
I had some blueberries, so I can hold over for a little bit.
Alright, yeah. Come at me, and you'll just... You don't even want to see what will happen next. You don't.
Yo, can you hear me?
Oh, shit. Yeah? Yeah?
Yo. Alright, so I killed 1 cannibal, but there was like 18 of them, and then I literally got 1 hit, bro. I was gonna, if you kill them, you can cut off their heads, legs, and arms and eat them, and cook them and eat them.
Oh, wow. You're quite the professional.
Alright, I'm eating berries right now, but I did get hung by the cannibal. Oh my god! What's your fucking problem? Why are you running up on me like that, bro?
Wait, so where's the... Wait.
Where's the base? You have to go to the base. Bro, I thought you were at the base. Why'd you come to me?
I said I was at... I was looking for food.
I didn't hear what you said because I was dead.
Is it... Why is he so massive?
Luggage. Fucking ball.
Oh, here I am. Here I am again. No, alright, no. I'm gonna have to fight. You are thirsty. Dang right I am. Too slow. Slow on your feet. Oh, never mind. I've arrived. All on the day. All in the days of hard work. This dude got like sticks on his back.
Alright, bro. I mean, you better get some logs, bro. Maybe I got Kelvin getting logs, so don't make him do that much. You can cut their limbs off like this. I can't hear you because my headphones aren't on. You can cut their head off too. I cooked them, but it still got me sick when I ate them. But it did give me a lot of my hunger. I'll be back in a little bit. I just gotta take. Probably gonna die.
Nah, trust me, I'm not. Hey, what's up, Kelvin? What are you doing? You doing good? Are you back?
I how to build walls or doors. I mean,
Doors? Oh,
yeah, like you can. There's like it looks like this, except it's like a door and you can open it. It's like a big door, like it's like as wide as this.
a log
little
door.
smaller. Yeah, you know how to build that? I forgot.
No. Hey, ChatGPT. Do you know how to build a defensive door wall in Sons of the Forest? Build at least 4 vertical logs in a perfectly straight row. Okay. Well, wait. Let's sleep.
It's...
Sleep.
I think I know what to do. Save.
What's that?
Go back to sleep. There's cannibals. Oh, we're getting attacked.
Hey, I told you.
Try to go back to sleep.
I did.
But I didn't. Okay, there we go. Do it. No, you can't do it, bro.
Okay. That's yep. Not my fault.
You know I can revive you, bro. Bro, you know I can revive you, right? You don't need to kill you.
No, I didn't.
Now I have to kill myself too. You are a great fucking fool, girl.
Alright, we're gonna see. I gotta go sleep. Yo! You don't even want to try it.
I'm pretty sure I have some soda in my bag, so I can just drink. Okay. I'm hungry, I'm thirsty. I found some luggage, and then I got a energy drink, so I'm gonna do that. And then I have 2 food bars that I can just eat.
Okay. Alright, some logs. Right to it.
Wait, look what I figured out. So I knew when you press the G, throws the item. But look, you don't look. I can throw it from here. It goes on.
Woohoo! Trick shot. Wait, 360.
Well, there's no more.
Alright, wait. My turn.
You gotta throw it in the air though.
Oh!
You gotta throw it in the air,
Alright, yeah.
and you have to throw while spinning. Or you don't have to throw while spinning. Just 60 and then.
Oh, that was close.
Oh, that's it. Kobe. Alright. You put one more log in.
No.
And you're burning. You're on fire, dude. You gotta run. You're on fire.
I got this eyeball thing on my health bar, and now I can't sprint.
Yo, I don't got time to speak, bro. Some giant dude with a club is chasing me, and I can't get in the golf cart because he's gonna kill me, bro. I ain't got time to speak.
Okay.
Something
Yeah.
about your health ball.
Alright, I'll take this. Now I need some rope. This might not be the best time to tell you, but do you have some rope with you? See ya. Nope. And I'm dead. Help. Help. Help.
And then give you random items. Like I just got a lot of.
We're in the same area.
Bro, I can't get away from this guy, bro. He just keeps chasing me, and I can't get in the golf cart. Yeah, I just took like 10 rope from this, but I need all. He's gonna kill me, bro. Oh, he missed.
Wait, I need to equip my backpack on.
Please, stop! Oh my god, bro! If you revive me, bro, I don't want to respawn again.
Oh!
This guy is so annoying.
I dealt with you once. I'm not dealing with you a second
No,
time,
can
but
you just revive me?
no, I can't. I actually can't revive you. He's chasing me. Oh!
Go! I got a club.
This is some good water, and I am sick.
I got. I think this is stronger than the axe for. I got a club.
Got a club? That's what I'm gonna make. Kelvin, don't even think about taking my food.
Craft more.
Hmm?
I got some armor now. I got to
Ooh.
craft more though.
You can craft armor?
Yeah, there's lots of types of armor. The best one is
Skin pouch.
when you kill soon some bosses start coming. They might only be in caves, but when you kill one of them.
Hey, no, Kelvin, no.
Oh, also, may I mention there's a glitch. Me and my friend did this when we played. If we ever kill one of the bosses, instead of immediately taking its leather, if we both do like, you know how when you have to like skin the animal, it does like a whole animation.
Yeah.
If we do it at the same time, we both get the item because the armor is really good, but it's rare.
Mmm.
You're eating.
No, it's cooked. It's cooked. Trust me. Oh, it's burnt. Never mind. Come through! I thought it was not moving similar. Shoot. No, no. I'm totally not this. Where'd you come from? Yeah, where'd you come from? Where you been the entire time? No, I can't do it. Not yet. Where you been the entire time? Were you? Okay. On the court. Oh. I did. Got this one swing straight. Oh. What are the brakes on these thing? On this thing? Ooh. Brakes on this thing is insane. I just blocked that, by the way. Nope, never mind. That one I did it. She's like carrying leaves.
Yes, he's giving it to you.
Actually?
Yes.
She bad.
Okay. Oh, there's aloe vera right there. I'm pretty sure you craft heals with that.
She's bad.
Look at this.
What's that? What's that? Oh, frog head.
Turtle head.
Turtle head. I mean, oh, yeah, same thing. Same thing. Same dealio. Oh my. Oh my goodness. That's terrible. Or just 5 more logs. And then I have to go.
I'm gonna invent something that's gonna make it 2 logs. Nah, give me one of those, bro. No. Give me one. I was not throwing it to you. I will kill you right now, bro. Yes. I do the work. You are a peasant.
Or oh, did you just take this shell off of the turtle? We did it.
That's so nasty.
Alright. I have to go. Maybe we can do the caves next time.
Okay.
Alright.
Tyrannosaurus?
Goodbye.
I don't think it saw us. Stegosaurus. Step like lightning. Brachiosaurus. It's probably not a good idea. What was that?
When you hear that boom, 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 you know you gotta zoom, zoom, zoom. When you hear that thump, 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 you know you gotta run, run, run. I hear the branches being ripped.